made it to the usual piranha spot. I haven't been here in months, so I really don't know if the bite is on. I don't know if the conditions are fine. Maybe there's a lot of plants underwater. We'll see how it goes, but I haven't been here in months. And today is the last day of summer, so I'm basically saying goodbye to the season with this fishing. There we go, there we go, there we go. Piranha. Oh, yes. Good size. Ho ho. Good size piranha. All right. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a very big mac. Holy. This is a true Big Mac. If you want a piranha burger. Oh my God, she's feisty. She's big. Oh. I turned off the camera by accident. Let's see if I can remove this hook. Damn, that's a deep hook set. Oh man, it's a mess. Sorry, fishy. Yeah, that's a good maculatus piranha. Great size. Great fight. Very good looking. Alright, buddy. Thanks for biting. Free to go. There we go. Oh man, yes, there it is, there it is, there it is. Another piranha. Not so big, but that's another fish. Oh, she has energy. They're very feisty today. I think the heat, well, it's not so hot, but for some reason they have a lot of energy today. I like it. Okay, don't bite the pliers, buddy. Try to hit the hook up. Yes, that's what I wanted. Some piranha fun. Alright, look at that gorgeous little piranha. Good size, good fight. That's what I came here for. This spot never fails. As long as the underwater plants allow it, this place is always a good spot for piranha. And today is actually the last day of summer, I think. So I'm saying goodbye to piranha season with some fishing. I mean, they will still bite as long as the weather is warm enough, but yeah, like high season is ending, the summer is ending. Sadly, I had a lot of problems this summer. I couldn't go fishing as much as I wish I had. The conditions were not good, honestly. Like the water, the drought has made the water super shallow, super low. Like the water levels in the river were too low to go fishing. Not worth spending money without having ideal conditions. Oh yes, yes. Oh man, that was close. Oh. There we go, there we go, there we go. Little piranha, that's a baby. Another baby. Oh, this is a Pygocentrus. Oh, yes. This is a Pygocentrus. Pygocentrus nattereri, also known as red belly piranha, but this guy's, the southern variant of this species is yellow. Down here in the Piranha River Basin, these guys are yellow and not red for some reason. Alright, It's been a while since I caught one of these. I mean, it's a very good sign seeing a juvenile of a red belly piranha. It's a very good sign because that means they're breeding here, and hopefully they might populate the area. I really want these guys to grow bigger and to populate this spot. That would be amazing because they are super strong fighters. They're very fun to catch. Of course, at this size they're not very different from the usual smaller piranha, but when they get bigger, they are a tank. They are tanks. They can really pull some line. They can bend your hooks, even break your lures sometimes. They're super strong. Pound by pound, I mean, yeah, pound by pound, yeah, pound by pound, they are some of the strongest fish we have down here. I'm so sorry, I turned the camera off for a second and this big mama just took the bait. Good fish. Very good sized. Holy, it's full of these guys today. I'm very happy to have come. Honestly, nothing like some big piranha afternoon. I mean, the average size of today is a lot better than what I'm used to catch. These are some big MACS. Like, if you were asking for a piranha burger, this is what you get, a Big Mac. Serrasalmus maculatus. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Super healthy. Yes, that's what you want to be careful with. Sometimes these guys are very feisty. Like, if they don't get tired enough, they can splash like that and turn and then bite your finger. You don't want that, especially from a bigger fish like that. If it's a smaller fish, it's not gonna make too much damage, but when they get to this size, their bite force is something to be, I mean, it's something considerable. So you need to be really careful with them. If you feel that they have a lot of energy left, you gotta let them go quick. But I'm just so stoked because the average sizes I'm getting so good that I just want to take pictures of all of them. It's been a while since I caught so many big MACS like that. Yes, 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 yes. That's a small one, but I won't complain. A fish's a fish. Oh yeah. It's making some little sounds. Can you hear it? I read in a study, a scientific study of some species of piranha, that specific sound is a sound for, it's like a warning sound they make to other fish, like before fighting or something. Like it's like a territory defense sound. So that's it. Baby maculatus, not a baby, but a small one. Very good looking fish. There you go. Hey, baby piranha on the orange little lure. Change the lure because this one comes closer to the surface and there are just too many plants and too many snags, so this one works better. Look at that, baby piranha. Free to go, buddy. Yes, Piranha. Oh, right as soon as the lure touched the water, it took it right there. Oh, great size. Look at that. These are some big MACS, man. Woo. Oh, stop shaking. I really want to get the hook out. No. I don't like it when they're this feisty, because they're actually scary. Like, you don't want one of them turning around and biting your hand. Whew. They are super feisty. Look at that. Look at the teeth. I really want to take a closer picture of the teeth. Okay, I'm gonna try to show the teeth to the camera. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see those teeth? I mean, they're hidden behind the lips, but they're actually quite big and scary. Alright, I want to take a close picture of those teeth. Alright, let you go, buddy. Woo-hoo. Nice one. Very good. Average size today. Much better than usual. Amazing way of saying goodbye to piranha fishing season. Saying goodbye to the summer. Sadly, it was not the best summer of my life. Had a lot of trouble, but at least I'm out here fishing right now. That's all that matters. Big fish, small fish. Everything counts. Everything is fun. Good fun. Piranha. Oh, no, Pike cichlid. Haha. Yes, that was the species that was missing. Little Pike cichlid. What is this? Could this be no, it's a lepidota. The usual species. Nothing different. Yeah, just a lepidota. Huh. You can really tell that this fish lives in piranha infested waters. You can see it's missing a lot of chunks of its fins. Look at the tail. Look at the dorsal fin. It's really missing a lot of pieces of its fins. That's because this place is infested with piranha. ¿Qué tal? Piraña la única que hay. ¿Y usted? Nada. ¿Carnado o señuelo?
Señuelo, ¿no? Cebolla.
No, acá piraña es lo único que hay. Otra cosa no hay.
Guaranos son menos charlos.
Sí, señor. Sí, señor. ¿De dónde viste mi video?
YouTube.
Bueno, pero ¿de dónde encontraste?
Y por ahí, ¿no?